Who's your favorite YouTuber?
Nakota?
Yes.
Hi guys! So today we're gonna unbox
You know what YouTube
box
is?
food supplies,
You guys subscribe to our channel?
but the other is for play back. Here's emoji eraser. Emoji eraser. At Peppa Pig pangkasa. But safer. Here, what do you call this?
Envelope.
It's an envelope for my birthday. Di pa pwede kasi on my birthday, I'm gonna do a video on my birthday. When we're gonna give the invitation, that's gonna vlog. Oh my goodness, my back! And the crayons, back to school crayons. And I'm already crazy too. So I got the 24 crayons. That I'm and some markers. I wanna open scissors.
Yeah. It's really open.
Ayan, nabukas. My daddy is helping me.
Here.
Thank you. This is the marker. It's permanent marker. If you cannot, it's good. And this is new. This is, if you guys wanna buy this, everything that I just unboxed, the sticky notes, the cut paper, the emoji eraser,